Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna see how we can restore deleted chat history or missing chat history from Messenger. So let's get started without any delay. So sometimes it happens because of the internet, and in that case you have to fix your network. After sorting your network connection, restart the Messenger application and your issue will be resolved. The second option to restore the chat with a Google account using a new device, and for that open Messenger on a new Android mobile device and log in into your account. Then tap on sync now, select the primary Google account which is used to set up your device. But before doing this you have to turn on the secure storage, and for that open Messenger, tap on menu, tap on settings, then go to privacy and safety, and then tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Then go to message storage and simply tap on turn on secure storage, and then simply enter a pin to sync your chat history. From this you can easily download a copy of your chat anytime. Also make sure to create a backup for your chats timely. So these were the ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.